Hare Krishna, Mars and Ketu, exact conjunction. From 22nd of July to almost 25th of July. This is going to be these 3-4 days that are going to be very, very severe. But on the same time, the energy of that exact conjunction of Mars and Ketu is going to remain for at least next 2 to 3 months. You see, what exactly is this Mars and Ketu Pishach dosha? Mars is a planet of passion. It's anger of Kal Purusha. And Ketu is detachment. Ketu is where you want to run away. Ketu is where you want to finish it off. Ketu is where you want to liberate. And when these two planets come together, it creates a very peculiar energy. And that energy says that I'm uncomfortable. When I see Mars and Ketu in whichever house it is falling in your horoscope, you're going to become very particular about it. Extremely particular. And trust me, you know what? This particular combination, let me share my screen with you. It's technically happening in the Purva Falguni Nakshatra. You see, what exactly is a Purva Falguni Nakshatra? It's a nakshatra where you become very particular about certain thing where it falls in your horoscope. Suppose it falls in the sixth house, then you become very particular about your charities, very particular about your servants. If it falls in the seventh house, then you become very particular about your partnerships, about your marriage, about your spouse. If it is Purva Falguni is in the third house of your horoscope, you become very particular about your younger siblings, your communication, and trying to start a thing. You become very, very particular. Now you've got Mangal Ketu Pishach Dosha, and the Lord of Leo is Surya. Surya is in the east. And the major hit of this dosha is going to be in the eastern part of the world, especially China. In India, if you talk to me, Bangladesh, West Bengal, Assam, the eastern states are going to take a hit. And when you have Mars Ketu, it's about unexpected, peculiar incidents which you've never expected. And both are extremely fiery planets in a fiery sign. Accidents, bomb blasts, plane crashes, involvement of army and your internal security like police or reserve services, they come together, which leads to at times situations like civil war. And for next 1.5 to 2 months, you'll see a lot of disturbance within countries like China, especially on the top, Russia, India, especially in the eastern regions of India. And also, since it is happening in the fifth house of the Kalpurush Kundli, and when it comes to India's horoscope, it is happening in the fourth house of India, because India we have Taurus rising. There can be major, major changes that can come and will be like unexpected fiery changes when it comes to the currency of the country. You'll see by September, there can be major changes towards which can create panic, which can create, burning emotions about savings, especially, the housewives who save cash. And there is a possibility of major changes in the currency of India. If you can remember the times of 2016, the Notbandi thing, you'll find similar kind of actions that can come. But on the same time, there will be wars and civil wars and tragic situations which can give a lot of discomfort. Depending upon in which house it is happening for your horoscope, you need to be careful. If it is happening in the third house, ninth house, 12th house, watch your travels, depending upon your lagna or depending upon your Chandra Rashi. If it is happening in the fourth house, be careful at your home, with your family, with your properties. Do not have an impulsive buy in the real estate. If it's happening in the fifth house, you see, Purva Falguni Nakshatra is also Nakshatra of reputation. And wherever this Mangal Ketu is happening in Purva Falguni in your horoscope, there is the possibility of you getting a very fiery or unpredictable reputation for some time in the society. For an example, if it happens in the Lagna, you're a Leo rising. Suddenly, there can be a wrong perception about your personality in the world. If it's happening in the second house, family reputation, the perception of what your family is can go wrong. They can take you wrong, but you're not wrong. That's what Mangal Ketu does. It's like tragic incidents. Fifth house, your love, romance, love life. Someone will come and tell your person that, hey, she is having that kind of a reputation, and you'll believe, and there'll be a breakup. Do not do it for next 2 months. Because Purva Falguni Nakshatra, you pick up Indira Gandhi's chart. You pick up Lal Bahadur Shastri's chart. You'll find certain planets in Purva Falguni which reveals their reputation, which tells their circumstances of being an iron lady to whatever, to maybe some suspicious death. You'll see all these things with Purva Falguni. And when you have Mangal and Ketu in Purva Falguni, it's the last pada which goes to Scorpio Navamsha. It's like your hidden karma which is coming in front of you and slapping you. And that hidden karma, you understand what is the hidden karma. Hidden karma is the karmas that you do secretly, which nobody knows. Cheating can be a secret karma. Trying to murder someone is a secret karma, which you think that nobody is watching. The karma is watching. All those embarrassing things that you hide from the world, because of which you fall down in your life, is the Scorpio Navamsh. Things remain suspicious. And those suspicious karmas that you've done are now going to be punished by Mars and Ketu. That is what exactly is happening in the plane crashes. Because whenever a plane crashes, it takes a long time to understand the reason. Things are suspicious. There's energy of suspiciousness all around. So watch for these 3-4 days. Do Narsingh Devata Aarti and Sadhana. There are various nursing mantras, nursing stotras, nursing arati for next 4 to 5 days. We have Savan month, pray to Shiva. Just keep chanting Shankar, 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 Shankar. Or just do your Guru mantra. Remain home if it is not necessary to travel. If it is necessary to travel, at least till 26th of July, you can. But if you can, maybe take it to 27th or 28th, or especially 22nd, 23rd, 24th. Hey, you've got to be careful. But if your dasha is good, need not worry. These transits will come and go. It only happens if you're running Mars dasha, Ketu dasha, and Mars is not favorable. Ketu is not favorable. You're running Shukra dasha, Shukra is not favorable. I'm running a Shukra dasha. It's a Marg planet in my horoscope. All I can do is pray to Mahadev, pray to Shiva, and leave my peculiar or particular requirements from my children because it's happening in the fifth house. So you have to give up on those peculiar natures, particular things, and then the transit will pass. But if you become so peculiar, so particular, not dynamic about wherever it is falling, 10th house work, 11th house elder siblings, society, 12th house meditation, long distance travels, visa application, sexual relationships, 9th house father, guru, teacher, mentor, long distance travels, 8th house in laws, 7th house spouse, 6th house your daily routine, debts. Don't be particular in these houses for next 1.5 month. Be flexible. The transit will pass. Your intelligence, your sadbuddhi will help you. But whenever you have such specific 3-4 days and then that effect remains for 1.5 1 month, I think the best we can do is we can be conscious. Do not, put yourself in a situation where you're stuck. Just let it go. At times you can hurt your ego. That's fine. Don't be particular about certain commitments. If it's in the second house, don't be particular about your food. Let it be. That's Mangal Ketu. I'll come up with another video. Till then, Hare Krishna. Thank you very much. Lots of love. Thank you.